Welcome to the next puzzle. This is the puzzle number 4. I will continue from where I finished on the puzzle number 3. So I fixed the test and committed to the repo. And I saw that this puzzle seems quite easy. At least the first part is kind of late for me. It's almost in the middle of the night. Let's see. I want first to make a copy and paste. And I name this as puzzle 4. Okay. Actually, I can implement this as that for the moment. Reading the problem, I will get a list of words, and I need to check if those are distinct or not. Okay, so I will return but I don't know what I will actually. I will receive a single no, I will receive more fast phrases. So I assume that those will be separated by new line. So I will receive a string, and I will return a ball for every function. So I'll receive an input and count valid as okay. Okay. And the samples, I have samples. Yeah. So this should be valid. So not count the passphrase. This will be made in another piece of code. I check only for valid passphrase of sample. So I need to have let's finish with this file. So I save this file. I need to add it to the project. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. Save that. Close that. Close that. For one. Okay. Let's see. This is false. And this is true. Okay. I'll comment for the moment this. Okay. Let's keep that and make another test here. Test case 1 will be something like count valid passphrases. Other 4. Let's see, -1. For the moment. this can be commented directly. Okay. I have this. I have. Don't need this anymore. Let's implement this. So I need to take the input, split by what? Actually, I need to see the input to not type it. Okay. This will be an ugly file. Okay, let's keep it here though. Last time I was. Come on, really? So yeah, I need to split by a new line. And I don't know if I need to remove the empty entries. We'll see if the data is dirty or not later. And I need to array sum by valid passphrase. Count by, sorry. Count by. Okay. And input split by here I will need to remove empty entries if 2 or more spaces are in the string. Okay, and I want to array actually I want to see if I have more. So let's do like this. It'll be easier to words. Come on. I'm hating this IntelliSense. So words are array distinct array length and if equal with array words length then no duplicates. I'm back. The video for this session was corrupted. I recovered some of it, and I will continue from that point on. I updated my build instead of have summary true to be false because I have many tests, and every time I needed to scroll up to see the output. And I try to recover the file, go back to the point where the video was broken. In that moment, I was in some place similar to this. Okay, I was still on the first part of the puzzle. When I finished this, I realized that my project doesn't build because I had a count by here that is not returning a number but a list of tuples, and I updated this by sum by, and I have a row here that will go to if it's a valid row, then 1 else a 0. In this way I will count the valid passphrases. Okay. I did run this thing and received 468, a number that I used on the puzzle site, and the site was hinted me that it's too big, and I checked the input for the diacritics or something out of ordinary. Didn't found anything, so I assumed that my problem were the invisible characters. So I did continue making splits after tabs and third line, and run the thing again. And get a 466 number that I inserted in the site, and the site was this with me. So let's solve the second part of the puzzle. As usual, we'll start by writing the tests. I can collapse this. I cannot collapse it. Right. So let's do it on the second line. The second test here. The first puzzle. Like this for the moment. Add some things. So valid So I had the chance to read already this thing. So right now, the second part of the problem asks us to count the valid passphrases. But a valid passphrase will not contain anagrams of other words from the passphrase. So the code will be mostly similar. I need either to check the number of letters to make some kind of list of each letter, how many times appear in the words, and compare those lists. Or another solution will be to the one that I will implement it will be to actually sort the list, because I will have anagrams in the same form. That will be in 2 lines. Implementation in 2 lines. Let's see how fast it is. Okay. So let's see. I expect those to fail, and this to fail also. Let's see first that everything is failing. So I have 2 tests that are failing. Okay, and let's implement it. So my idea of implementation was to sort the words from the row. So words is a collection of words, and for this collection I want to sort the letters in the word. So it will be the fastest way. The words as a sequence, sort, and compose an sequence to array, compose a string from it. We should, yeah, of course. Less noisy way to write the same thing. But this function, to use it in both first part and second part of the puzzle, must be provided. So this will be an array morpher. Here will be array morpher. And for the second puzzle, okay. So I have a typo. So this will also need to get an array morpher. This will receive the morpher. Come on. So for the part 1 morpher, will be actually the identity function. Let's provide them. Part 1 morpher will be part difference in. Okay, let's switch the signature for this. So will receive an array of type string array, and will return a string array. Goes to actually I was under the impression that I need to okay, like this. Let's see what why is still complaining. Oh, all those typos. Come on. I'm distracted by the fact that I'm recording this. So half of the brain is on the problem, the other half is forcing me to talk out loud and one offer, and to make sure that I'm forcing something to go came out of my mouth. Okay, let's run this again. So we have a new value. Let's see if that value is a correct one. Okay, this concludes this episode. See you soon.